Understanding Research Outcomes, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important topic in academic and professional contexts: research outcomes. Understanding this term is crucial for students, researchers, and professionals alike. So, let's dive in and demystify what research outcomes really mean. Research outcomes is a phrase made up of two words, research and outcomes. Let's look at them individually. Research refers to the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Outcomes, on the other hand, are the results or consequences of an action or event. So, when we combine these terms, research outcomes refer to the results or findings that come from conducting research. There are various types of research outcomes, each significant in its own way. Some of the common types include: 1. New knowledge or insights. This is perhaps the most sought-after outcome, where research leads to discoveries or enhanced understanding of a topic. 2. Data and statistics. Quantifiable information that can be used for further analysis. 3. Solutions to problems. Research often aims to solve specific issues, and the solutions developed are valuable outcomes. 4. Policy changes. In some cases, research influences changes in policies or regulations. 5. Technological advancements. Outcomes can also include the development of new technologies or improvements to existing ones. Research outcomes are crucial for several reasons. 1. Advancing knowledge. They contribute to the collective understanding of various fields. 2. Influencing decisions. Outcomes often guide decision-making processes in businesses, governments, and other organizations. 3. Solving real-world problems. Many research projects aim to address societal challenges, making their outcomes vital for community welfare. 4. Driving innovation. Outcomes can lead to innovations that shape industries and improve lives. An essential part of research is effectively communicating its outcomes. This can be done through: 1. Research papers and articles, the traditional and most formal way of presenting research findings. 2. Conferences and seminars, where researchers share their findings with peers and the public. 3. Media and press releases, to reach a broader audience beyond the academic community. 4. Social media and blogs, for more informal and accessible dissemination of research outcomes. Understanding research outcomes is key to grasping the impact and importance of research in various fields. Whether you're a student, a budding researcher, or just someone interested in how new knowledge and solutions are developed, recognizing the significance of these outcomes is crucial. We hope this video has shed light on what research outcomes mean and why they matter. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.